What's up, guys? What's going on? Y'all already know who that is. If you don't, that's May Dancer 8.
We came outside to get some fresh air and play around. I'm gonna run around the house as fast as I can and time me, guys, how fast I can run around the house and then get back here to me. You guys ready?
Go ahead.
3, 2, 1, go. How long was that?
8 seconds.
Huh?
8 seconds. Pretty fast.
Now I'm gonna try again, guys. Ready? Set. Go.
I'm an MLD 73, guys, just in case y'all didn't know. Holy crap. That was even faster. I didn't even get a chance to. I got my name out, but I didn't get a chance to say nothing else. You was back already.
I'm gonna put all my socks, they keep falling.
Yeah, the little ankle socks. Yeah, it's a nice day out here today, guys. It's a Saturday. I'm about to go do a yard check, see what all I got to do, you know, get ready to start this spring cleanup. Yep, good old spring cleanup. Getting ready to do that, you know. Take a tour around, see what I need to do. Don't look too bad.
And if you're new to the channel, this is MLD73. That's my dad.
Yeah, y'all heard it.
And then after this, I'm gonna have the best day of my life because I'm going to my Uncle Peter's house. Yeah, to play with people.
That's right.
I'm gonna run again.
You be bored here because there ain't no kids here. That's why we outside. No, hey. Kids, man.
I'm gonna do
Get your socks and shoes on. What's wrong with you? The sunshine just driving you crazy. It's not the heart of the summertime. You ain't gonna wipe the bottom of your sock off before you? Man, you're a little farm child.
Yes, I do. Hey, what's this, guys? Ready? I'm gonna go do some gymnastics moves. And I'll think of everything I can do, and then I'll come right back. See me here? Ta-da!
Right.
And all the sports that I'm in is gymnastics, cheermania. I'm going into basketball, but my mom needs to find a team. And then soccer.
What else you do?
Nothing. I go to school and just chill out at home. Usually be bored, but I'm gonna run around this and then come back. I'm gonna run around here. Then
What
go
about
around the house, then go back.
What about taekwondo?
Okay. Oh yeah, and taekwondo. I'm gonna run around this guy. So I'm gonna run, come in, go around the house, go back.
You want to show them a little bit? what you learned so far? It's up to you.
I don't know. Maybe not.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna run, and then I'll come back when I'm done.
Burning off some of that energy. She has some jelly beans. Some of the sweetest candies in the world.
Here's some stuff that I learned.
Good job, boo.
I know how to count to 10 in Korean.
Keep your boots on. What?
I know how to count to 10 in Korean. And I know some basics. And I know a lot of stuff. Keep learning.
Yep, so keep learning.
Oh, and before I forget, subscribe, hit that bell button, and the notifications. And comment down below what else videos should me and my dad do while I'm here.
Yeah, I heard it.
And you can comment like doing it or there or something. Just around the neighborhood. Or like walking down to a park or something. Because my dad doesn't have a car right now because his is getting fixed. So I'm gonna do something that I think is really fun for me. I'm gonna run around this, then this, then go here. Ready? Go.
Okay, enjoy. She said something really fun.
Boom!
Burning off some energy.
Boom!
My baby girl can play about 10 sports, different ones, and have energy for every one of them. Ain't that right, baby?
Yeah.
You can play about 10 different sports and have energy for every one of them.
Oh, and my dad lives in a community where there's lots of parks that we can just walk to.
That's right.
I'll go take it.
A little yard check, you know what I'm saying? Make sure everything's okay. Got a little leaves I need to rake up. Picked up a little brushes, put it in the fire pit. Made the cat a little house over the winter time. Not too bad. Can't wait till it get warmer. All right, guys. MLD 73 May Dancer. We out. Please subscribe. Love you.